Hi guys, my name is Aradhya Ganeshan Ghosh. I study in Purushottam coaching class. Today I am going to explain atmospheric pressure by this experiment. For this experiment I need a paper, scale and an eraser. First I will keep the scale on this and drop the eraser. So you can see the eraser and the scale both fell. Now I will put the paper on it and drop the eraser. So you can look, scale didn't fall but the eraser fell, because when I did this one, only this much area got pressure of atmosphere, and when I put this and fell it, this much area was pressured and that was transferred in the scale, so the scale didn't fall. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe.